Hello, today is Wednesday, May 1st, 2024, and I am, as always, Jason Shapiro with Crowded Market Report. So today was a Fed day, and I think that the general consensus was that the Fed was, I don't want to say more dovish than expected, but let's say less hawkish than feared, okay? And if I had told you that the Fed was going to be less hawkish than feared, then most likely we would have come up with the idea, well, then bonds are going to go up, stocks are going to go up, metals are going to go up, and the dollar's going to go down. And that is what happened after the Fed spoke, which was here. Stocks rallied hard, bonds rallied, dollar came off, and metals, mostly gold and silver for that matter, went up. But then something funny happened in the last part of the day, which was stocks in particular came off pretty darn hard, right? And closed very close to the low. Down on the day, on a day when the Fed was less hawkish than expected. And, you know, it's silly because these assets are just moving. I'm watching them tick for tick. The Fed says something not as hawkish. So bonds go up, stocks go up, metals go up, dollar goes down. I mean, like tick for tick. And then it goes the other way and tick for tick. Bonds go down, stocks go down, dollar goes up, metal goes down. Not really much of an edge there to play unless your edge is, hey, I think that the Fed is going to be this or that, and you want to make that bet. That's making a macro bet. If you want to make that macro bet, then fine. But if your bet coming in today was the Fed's going to be less hawkish than expected, so I'm going to get long stocks, quite frankly, it worked for about an hour to an hour and a half, and then it completely failed, right? And it's funny because the stocks ended up basically, well, they ended up below, a little bit below than where the Fed started talking. Bonds ended up right at when the Fed started talking. Dollar ended up pretty much right at when the Fed started talking. And metals ended up, you guessed it, right back at where the Fed started talking, right? That's gold, that's silver, right? So it was like a whole bunch of nothing, basically, this whole day that everybody was coming in so hot expecting. Except I think that, to me, the stock thing was bad. You know, I think it was bad. The tape still looks like crap. They should have gone up today. And in previous FOMC days, when they came up and were a little bit more dovish or less hawkish or whatever, the market rallied. But it stayed up, and it even continued the next day and the next weeks. And today it rallied as if it were going to do that, and it failed. Not a great tape. I keep saying it. Not a great time to be super long risk assets here. The tape continues to tell me that. And so, you know, we'll see what happens tomorrow. What will happen tomorrow probably is we'll gap up 1,000 points and go up from them because we just scared every long out. Who knows? But to me, not a great time to be taking excessive risk on the long side here. Okay? Thank you. Questions and comments, always welcome. Please like us. You know the drill. CrowdedMarketReport.com, Substack for free, etc., etc. Okay? Hope everyone had a good day, and we'll talk again tomorrow. Thank you.